everybody, welcome back to the Forge. My name's Tony. I happen to get one of Evike's mystery boxes. We got the first edition from 2022. Let's see what we got in here today. As always, quite a few people have been talking about the weight online. My shipping said it was going to be 10 pounds. It ended up being 22. So, not all of these weights seem to be lining up with what people are thinking they're going to be. So, never really know what you're going to get in the box, which kind of adds to the mystery. Alright, let's see what we got today. Start off, we got this little thing. I believe this is going to be one of those camo arm sleeves. Yeah, there we go. Kind of neat. Not really my thing, but you never know. Somebody on the team might want them. Alright, let's see. We got one of these Airsoft masks. Sadly, it looks like it's a wire eye protection. Which, yeah, it is. That's unfortunate. I know some fields around allow for mesh eye protection. I personally don't like it. I don't feel it's very safe. When I was doing my Juggernaut round, I had safety protection or safety glasses right underneath, and I was still getting little pieces of plastic just shattering through that mesh. So I do not recommend you use these for airsoft. Even if your field allows it, your eyes are a little bit too much of a risk. So, great for Nerf, not so good for airsoft. All right, and we got, looks like a set of goggles. Bully Tactical Goggles. Not sure of this brand. It says it's ANSI Z87 rated, so that's good to know. Oh, those are some nice low-profile goggles. Definitely give these a look through and see how they would fit with our masks and our helmets. It's always good to have extra eye protection just in case. Alright. And what everybody came here for, we got a EGM Helios. Let's see what's inside here. We got a bolt action. Lots of plastic today. Alright. Well, that's nice. It comes packaged. It's got some styrofoam on the bolt right there. It feels pretty good in the hand. Let's see, what else do you get in the box? You get the magazine. Let's see, it does not have a round count. You get a traditional speed loader. cleaning rod. All right. Definitely gonna try this out. See if we like it. If not, somebody on the team will get first dibs for it. All right. Ow. I think I know what's in here. And if it is, I'm going to be pretty happy with it, because it was one of the things I was hoping for. You got a catalog, foam, and, oh, yep, there we go. A beautiful P90. My wife is normally running these at games, and I've been wanting to play with it a little bit, so I'm happy we got another one. So, alright, you get the gun, I'm guessing standard capacity magazine, because I believe we have the exact same one of these. You get a charger. You get just a standard 9.6 volt battery and traditional little speed loader. I am so happy that I got this. Oh! And we got a 2 of Diamonds playing card. I know some people are really interested in these. I've been collecting a little bit just to kind of see what happens. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Once we get to 10 comments down below, I will be choosing a random person to be giving away one of these swamp patches that I had from my Juggernaut event. Alright. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.